everyone, thanks so much for joining me. My name is Susan Timchak. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. I'd like to thank you for stopping by out of your busy schedule to see all what I have to share with you today. You might be wondering, Stampin' Sue, where have you been? Well, again, things happen. But I am here today to share with you my upcoming class that you can take from the comfort of your own home during the month of June. And it is focusing on a brand new bundle. We are now into the new annual catalog, and I'm happy to say I can now open up the catalog and actually share with you things from the catalog. I do like, first off, to say how happy I am with the new catalog, in that right in the very beginning, you have all of your colors right here, everything listed for you with pages as to where to go to find them. And then starting on page 4, Stampin' Up! Put all of the bundles in the front of the catalog. So the focus for the June Make at Home or Class to Go, however you want to call it, is using on page 23 the Daisy Lane bundle. This was one of the stamp sets that Stampin' Up! Actually gave us during the on-stage event in April, which just seems so long ago, and it really wasn't. But as you know, we do currently have a Daisy stamp set, and the current punch that was available last year, is this one. And this stamp set coordinates with that stamp set in that we have a daisy that will punch this, but we have a brand new punch that will punch out this small flower. And that is with the medium daisy punch. Now, when you purchase the two of these together as a bundle, you will save 10%. But what I'm offering for you today is you would contact me and tell me that you were interested in the Everything is Coming Up Daisies class. And this, like I said, this is going to be held through the month of June. So I will need your registration for that before I can order the product for you. So you tell me you're interested in the class. It's $45 total, including shipping. But what you're going to get is an entire class that comes to you right in the mail. So in the mail you will receive your stamp set. You'll receive not this punch, but you'll get the new medium punch. I don't have mine yet, so my samples I'm going to share with you are made with this one. The medium punch has been ordered, just has not arrived yet. And you will receive a package of supplies where you will be able to create some beautiful cards and everything you need to create the cards. So I know you're probably excited. You want to see what they look like. You will also receive a packet, 5 cards, I'm at a loss for words. It's been so long. All the supplies needed, and also a little storage box, which I don't know if you can see it. It's actually a little acetate storage box. So what you'll create at home, now if you don't have the colors, you can work with the colors that you have. But I will include all the new in colors that are currently available. So these are the brand new in colors. And you're going to create, you also get envelopes too. So you will create 5 cards using the basic standard supply of the same type of layout. Unless you choose to do it a little differently, you can. All the 5 brand new, boy, I really apologize because I'm just stumbling for words today. The new in colors. Let me move this over here so I can put them all here to share with you. Sometimes I feel like I have so much room on my desk, and sometimes I feel like I just don't have enough. So here they are. Let me pull up. Here's one you'll be able to see. There's a little bit embossing on the bottom. Now these cards are made with the thick, ultra smooth white cardstock, and I like to use them when I'm doing just a basic layout like this. But you'll receive enough supplies in here, including the new in color ribbons to create these cards, and also this really fun acetate box. I don't have the envelopes right here, but all of your cards and your envelopes will fit right into this little box, and it makes a great gift. And you can keep it for yourself or share it with someone else. So let's see. You'll also receive a YouTube video, which will give you some tips and any kind of a quick assembly, because this is very quick to do, this. And you will also receive, so that'll be a private link for you, just for you, for purchasing the class. And you'll also get a surprise thank you gift in your supply box. So it'll come to you all set up in cello bag with everything cut, pre-scored. The only thing I'm not allowed to do is to do the stamping. So that would be something that you'll have to do. But you will have the bundle and the punch to create that all on your own. So again, the bundle is $45 plus shipping, and I will ship it priority with a tracking number. So you will be able to make sure that it arrives to you safely. And I will be shipping them out, well, as probably the last week in June, depending on, when it's orders, and put them all in for an order all at one time. So you will need to register for this class by 6/14, so by June 14th, register for the class. Send me your payment plus the $45 plus shipping. And then the last week in June, I will be mailing off to you your supply packets and your stamp set and your punch, and you will be all set to go. So this is going to be a fun class. This is something new that I'm offering because I've just been having so many people telling me that they're just so busy they can't attend class, and it's summertime and there's so many activities and outdoor yard work and everything to do. So this way you can do it at home in your own convenience, and you'll have me right there where you can stop the video and start it at your own leisure, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So yeah, I hope you take advantage of this, and please contact me at stampinsuecreates@gmail.com. I always get that confused. stampinsuecreates@gmail.com. And again, I will order all the product for you. I will assemble your card pack with your holder all together and ready for you, and you'll be good to go. So let me know if you have any questions. If you like this idea, and you have any other ideas of stamp sets you've seen in the catalog, let me know. I am currently working on a card class, working with the Over the Moon, which is a very loved stamp set. I'll give you a little sneak peek at one of the cards I've created. Look how fun this is. Isn't that just the cutest card ever? I've just been having a lot of fun with stamping with this. All right, I'll show you one more. Here's another one. Now, these aren't going to be the cards you're going to create. These are just some of them that I've been playing with, and I'm going to be posting them soon on my Facebook page. So if you're not a current member of my Facebook page, be sure to come on over to Stampin' Sue Creates on Facebook and join the group, join the fun, and you'll be included in all the updates. Now, if you're not a subscriber of mine, be sure to hit the little red subscribe button down below the video, and right next to that you'll see a little bell. All you got to do is ring that bell, and you'll receive notifications when I upload new videos. So I hope to see you soon, and thanks so much for taking time out of your busy day to see all what I have to say. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now.